Welcome to Lisa's Home Cooking. So today I'm going to show you a quick vegetable to just pop in the oven and enjoy, asparagus. So asparagus in the oven is the easiest thing to cook in the world. Asparagus, salt, pepper, olive oil, garlic powder, cheese, and breadcrumb. That's it. So if you're in a rush and you want to make a vegetable with dinner at night, there's no thinking. Just peel, season, pop it in the oven. So I start off with a bunch of asparagus. And I like to cut off the ends. You know, they look kind of ugly and dry. So I like to cut off the ends just like this. And then what I like to do, which this is a trick that my mom taught me, I like to peel the ends of the asparagus. Because if you are an asparagus eater, you do know that the ends of the asparagus are very stringy. So if you just peel the ends of them off, when you bite into it, you don't get those strings in between your teeth. So what I'm going to do is just peel the ends about 1 inch above the asparagus, just like this. See? I just peeled the ends right off, and it also makes it so much more tender. So I already peeled the ends off of these, and I'm going to line them up in the pot just like this. Now I'll do half one way and the other half the other way. So all the ends are touching and all the flower parts are on the outside. Extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle right on top. I'm gonna say I used about 2 tablespoons of that. A little bit of salt, about a half a teaspoon. A little bit of pepper, also about a half a teaspoon. And garlic powder. Now, you could use chunks of garlic if you like. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, but I just like the way garlic powder flavors the asparagus in this particular dish. So we do about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and seasoned breadcrumb right on top. I'll sprinkle about another 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil right on top. And we're gonna pop these babies in the oven for about 30 minutes on 400 degrees. And that's it, you got your vegetable. So I'm gonna let these cook and I'm gonna show you how delicious they look when they come out of the oven. Beautiful, look at that. Nice, crispy asparagus, ready to go. Let me plate this up for you. A great side dish as a vegetable. Look how pretty this looks. I mean, you could pair it up with a salad, you could pair it up with a protein. So easy to make, so simple, so fresh. All you have to do is season it, pop it in the oven, and you got your vegetable for the night. I want to know, what do you guys think about this easy asparagus dish? Leave me some comments. I'm curious to see what you think. Make sure you guys like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget, subscribe to Cake House. Enjoy!